welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and this time I'm going to be installing a wig that I got from WavyMy hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this is a 18-inch water wave highlight wig. I'm not sure of the density off the top of my head, but I'll include that on the screen. It'll be floating through the screen. This is a pre-everything wig, so it has pre-cut lace, as you can see here, and they also bleach the knots for you, as you can see underneath. So this is really like one of those wear and go type wigs, and this is just what it looks like. And it's a really cute wave pattern. Like I said, it's like a wavy, well, it's called water wave. So this is a water wave pattern, and I really like the highlights in it. It's on a dome cap like this. So the inside does not have any combs, so it doesn't have combs at the bottom or the sides, but it does have this elastic band right here. And also this is an M cap, so it has the cutout for your ear holes so that it's like a comfortable fit around your ears. And yeah, so before I install the wig, I'm just gonna show you what came in the box. This is like pretty standard, I'm sure. A lot of people lately have been sending some nails. So this is some Christmas themed nails, but it's some nails that looks like this. They also sent over a wig cap and an edge brush and a thank you card, which is really cute. So yeah, let me go ahead and install this wig. All right, so I'm sliding off my wig cap. You already know the vibes. Why I keep saying sliding off my wig cap? Slid off my bonnet. I already have my wig cap on, and you already know I'm gonna use my cream foundation, my Ruby Kisses foundation, per usual. I'm just gonna color my wig cap here. I don't know if this is one of the kinds of wigs where you don't necessarily need a wig cap, but if so, I can always take it off. It's not that big of a deal. Right, and then I'm going to take some of the makeup from my brush, and I'm going to apply it along the inner line of the wig, so along right here. And I always put it right there because the wig is always lighter right here than anywhere else. Okay, so then it looks like that. And like I said, it's on an adjustable band, so I'm just gonna make sure it fits tight enough, especially since it doesn't have any combs. I just wanna make sure it's gonna like stay on my head. All right, so now I'm gonna slide it on. Okay, so let's see what this lace is talking about. Okay, so it does fit pretty snug on my head, even though it doesn't have the comb. Especially, like, I usually like the back comb because it helps keep the wig flat in the back, but it is still staying pretty flat with just the wig band. This is a really good wig band. So you can see the lace. This is actually a really good lace. I was thinking that I was gonna have to do some things to this lace to be completely honest with you. I didn't think the lace was gonna be as good as it is, but it actually just disappeared into my head. So that's exciting. And I really like this color and the wave pattern, and it looks like there's already a side part in it, so maybe I will do a side part. But if you don't want a side part, you can always like change the part, as you can see, like the parting space in the wig. I'm gonna consider changing the part, but I might just keep it like this. Just gotta do a couple things to make it more me, but it's really cute. This is really like a really cute like slide and go type of wig. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my baby hairs, which really isn't too much to do. I'm just gonna do a little swoop on the side here. I decided I'm gonna keep the part that's naturally in the wig because I was thinking about flipping it because I don't typically wear my parts on this side, but I'm like, you know what? Let me try something new. To define the curls, I'm just gonna take some water and my Afoji mousse and just spray the hair The hair doesn't seem like that thick and unmanageable, so I only need to split it into 2 sections like this. And then I'm just taking my comb, and it's not a comb, it's like a brush comb thing, I forget what you call it, and combing through it. And then just take my mousse. And then I'm scrunching it like this. And then so now I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So as I was waiting for it to dry, I realized that the length here is like a little awkward, and I kind of want like a short, kind of like curly bob type situation going on. So I'm actually gonna cut this a little bit, or like a lot of it. So I'm just gonna take the scissors and do like a chop. So I'm gonna do the same to this side. So I'm gonna have to like redo everything. I think I cut that side a little shorter. So yeah, let me cut this just a little more. But I think I like this a little bit better. Okay, oh, that's still, it's a little. It's so short now, but yeah, I kind of wanted like a curly bob situation, especially like with these highlights. So cute. I think I just don't like parts in hair. I prefer like a flip over. There we go. I had to get rid of the part. Like I hate when there is like a part in curly hair. That's so weird to me. Like I feel like curly hair should be flipped. Okay, so this is better. I'm gonna do this. So I'm just taking my blow dryer with the little diffuser attachment on it, and I'm doing it on the cold setting, and I'm going to diffuse this just to kind of like speed up the process of the drying. Alrighty, so it's looking how I want it to look. I wanted that like fluffy curly look. Next thing I'm gonna do is just take a couple of like the front pieces near my face and take my curling wand and just like frame some of the pieces by my face, just to like shape it some. So I'm gonna do like this. These might be too big, but like around the small part of this, and then like pull it. And actually I'm going to cut my bang a little bit because it's kind of long. I just want some layers in the front. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna take my cream makeup and go across the lace in the front. Just like right here. Even though it already blends really well. But you see how you can see my wig cap right here? I probably would wind up taking my wig cap off just so you can't see it. But this is the finished look and I'm happy with it. It's giving like 90s, 80s, like fluff vibes. This is exactly what I'm looking for. This is the back. If it's uneven in the back, my bad. But this is the back. And I really like the highlights. And this is really cute for spring. It's like off my shoulders. It's very low maintenance, well, once you style it, it's like low maintenance and it's really cute. I like it. But yeah, definitely check this hair out. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and adios till next time.